No care where you're down on your knees, you know. The Lord always there for you, you know. Just continue.
Babes, remember say no pay mama no mind, you know, when you're going there, you know.
Me not pay your mother no mind.
Make sure, you know.
Me promise you.
I remember say me tell you say if any little thing you just help her out in her house.
Me will try, baby. You hear? So nobody worry about that.
Alright. This are the house, babes. Come now. Mama!
The place pretty. Look by your
Mama.
door. I say your door pretty.
Yeah, man. Go on in. Mama, we there right now. Mama, we just reach back, you know.
What you mean by we just reach back? I don't like the sound of that, you know. That sound like it's thrown in my house. You make sure you don't have anybody in here with you, you know.
Yeah, Mama, you know, remember me just tell you say me I go meet my girlfriend.
You never tell your mother say me they come here.
Yeah, man, me tell Mama. Mama, you know, remember how me tell you say my girlfriend I come spend the weekend with me?
No! I can't recall you telling me you're bringing somebody here about... What you telling me about you bringing your girlfriend here? If you didn't tell me that, I would tell you, no, I don't want your woman here. Because next thing when you're down there, she search up my place. I cannot allow and tolerate your woman here, Jeremiah. I'm very sorry. Point of correction, you got to get rid of her before you leave here, go to work.
Yes, Mama, me did tell you. Oh, you forgot that, Mama?
Me not like that same thing here, you know.
No, man, me tell Mama, but... Listen me now? Mama can't...
Listen me what?
Mama can't really see, you know, I forgot to tell you.
Lord God!
Easy now. Mama can't
Hey!
really... You understand?
What do you mean Mama can't really see,
Mama
Jeremiah?
can't see.
Why you never tell me so before me come here?
Yeah, but when me I say you can't behave so brawling, you understand?
Lord God!
Mama.
So why you want to tell me say no me come here? You want to tell me no be chat and so me chat all along?
Mama, I just touch the stay, I just scope with her, Mama. Me go hold her bed here. Me go hold her bed for go away.
You talking about you going to bed? Didn't I tell you not to bring a woman here? And the only way I accept this woman, unless I can see her face. So if she cannot reveal herself to me, I don't know how that is going to work out. Young lady, come and let me see you. Come before me, let me see what you're made of. Come. Me not like this thing, you know, Jeremiah.
Just catch up with Mama till me come back.
Go on with you. You say me not like them foolishness there, you know. Young lady, I cannot see where you are. See me right in front of you, ma. And your sticker touch me. Tell me something. Where you come from? Because I don't understand that language. I never heard it before. So I wonder where you come from. Ma! Me come from Clarendon, ma! I don't like the way you sound, you know. I don't like it. Ma! I saw me chat! I saw me tan! I saw me people them chat, ma! What wrong with all me chat? So you're planning to stay with my son for how long? Ma! Jeremiah said me be tan with him for the weekend, so I'm on them in the garden yard. Okay, I see. So, are you a good woman or are you a bad woman? Me a good woman. Me feel offended, you know, ma. And what kind of question that you dey ask me? Me not like that, you know, ma. Well, I don't know if he tell you about my rule and regulation. If you're going to be in this house, you got to get up and find something to do in the morning. Did he tell you? No, ma! He never tell me, say me have to do no whole heap of work, ma, and me have to wash plate and sit, ma. That wasn't the agreement. He said me if you come tell with him for the weekend, ma. Me never know, say me they take up housework. Well, if you want to marry my son, I have to see the kind of woman you made of. If you have to treat me very well. Ma! Me never come here to take care of you, ma. Me come here to spend time with me, man. My son is leaving, so when he leave, we will have a better conversation. Me no like this sound of that, you know, ma. Me no like this sound of that, you know. What make you have to wait till in gone we will chat?
Babes, me I run late, you know. Mama, When me come in here, we talk. Some food in the fridge, Jonelle. Hot it up so mama can get something to eat because she not eat nothing from morning. You understand? But me soon come back. Me not stay late today at work. Alright, yeah?
Lord God! This here revelation the penny them tell me down the road. And this here revelation they play out right before me eye. Jeremiah don't even kiss me before he left. And then they can't tell me about hot up food for mama. Me not like dancing thing here, you know. Me not like dancing thing here, you know. What you mean by you don't like dancing thing here? What you mean? Jeremiah give you a simple instruction and you can't follow it? Eh? I can see that you're a very lazy girl. If my son tell you to cook, you cook. If my son tell you to hot up something, you hot it up. If my son tell you to clean, you clean. Eh? You just come here and you don't even rest before you start arguing with my boy. Eh? You know I talk to Jeremiah, I tell Jeremiah if it's not a brown girl, don't bring her here. You better make sure your color is brown, oh. Me can't see say what housekeeper you and Jeremiah want, you know. Jeremiah don't want a wife, you know. Jeremiah want somebody to go look after you and take care of the house. But me tell him say for that he not work, you know. Me see say that a big red flag, you know, woman. Don't raise your voice for me. Don't raise your voice for me. Cause you don't know me, no, woman. You don't know me. Where are you? Where are you? Come here, let me discipline you. Come here. Come here, young lady. Mind you make that tick they catch me, no, woman. Mind you make that tick they catch me, you know. Cause you don't know me. You don't know who me be, you know. Cause if you make that tick they catch me, no, woman. The two of we are gonna roll in here. You think that two you hold me afraid for you. Make it tick catch me. You better mind what you do with that tick there. You hear what me say? Oh, I can see you have no manners. None at all. When I was growing up, you think I could be arguing with big people? I couldn't do that, you know. My mother would have disciplined me. Eh? You come here once to argue with me and my son. You must have manners, oh. Too much indisciplined young people nowadays. I don't like those things, oh. I remember when I was growing up and my mother used to send me to the shop. I never want to go, you know. When she used to send me to trust flour and rice. I sit in the road and I cry. Eh? And when my neighbor tell my mother I'm crying in the road and she come and see me and I said, I don't want to go to the shop. My mother would discipline me, oh. And I turned out to be a fine young lady. So that is what is lacking today. Young people just doing their own thing, oh. Eh? You need to have manners. You hear what I'm saying? Take Madam Josiah instruction, young lady. You need to have respect and manners. It will take you very far, oh. They used to say manners will take you overseas. Be respectful. You hear me? You hear me, young lady? I don't have to ask if when you come you were searching my place. Trying to steal my things. Me don't want nothing in your stuff for thief. Who want to sit in this place for thief? From me come in here, me see say I be a old broke who know I been here. So when me don't want thief old broke fi go do with it. Oh man, you can't even see me say me a hot girl. Me a hot girl, you hear that? Me don't want you old broke them. And why you fi go with them?
Yeah.
Sister Petra.
Lead me, Lord. Lead me, Jesus, to the right path. That no weapon formed against me shall never prosper. Oh, lead me, Lord. Walk with me, Lord, to the right path. That no weapon formed against me shall never prosper.
Throw the coconut and make we broke them. Spin your roll and dip and disturb them. We are gonna work tonight. unite and set the order. The more them fight, the more we go harder.
La da de da da. Say the angel them a pass through. Where the banner high, way up in the sky. Say I am way